Okay, breakfast was great. I'm gonna walk up to the Obsidian Dome, and yeah, it's recommended. So let's do a quick hike, and then I'm going to up to Portland to the falls, which I still can't pronounce. So I'll put it on the screen. Yeah, this is the lava flow. So yeah, let's go take a look. So we have obsidian, which is solid glass with no bubbles. We have pumice, which is frothy glass with small bubbles, and more pumice, which is frothy glass with big bubbles. Can't even speak. Yeah, it's a glass menagerie. So you have to go up these steps. This is really cool. So this is a lava field, and you just go up these steps. Everything's real shiny, super shiny, and you're not allowed to take any of it with you. So don't be one of those people. So this is the lava field that I'm hiking in. This has been a really interesting trip. I've hiked on a cinder cone, and now I'm in the middle of a lava field. And blue sky? Thank you. Yeah, this is really cool. So there is kind of a marked trail. You can go all the way to the top. But yeah, it's kind of like being on the surface of another planet. Very, very rocky. And you just kind of follow your way through the obsidian and pumice. So if you need to, like, you know, loo for your feet, that's what the pumice stone is. That's what they use at the pedicure place when I get my pedicures. But yeah, okay, so I think I'm in a dead end here. I guess you just climb wherever you want to climb. Oh, there's a trail back there. Okay, I gotta go back. So that's the obsidian, the real, like, shiny part. And then you have the pumice and the pumice. This is fun. Let's see how far I can go. Such a random place to hike. It's really cool though. This is really cool. It feels like you're hiking through bouncy broken glass. So, such a weird terrain. This has definitely been a trip of weird hikes. I had, you know, the cinder cone and all these other places. So yeah, this is fun. I am so grateful that I took a Rocks for Jocks class in college. And I learned all about volcanoes and rocks and magma and different other hard things that exist in the world in the form of rocks and stuff. So yeah, that was the best class I took. I took it back in the 90s, and definitely one that I retained, unlike some of my other classes that I can't really remember. So anyway, okay, so now I gotta go down all these steps, and then I'm done with the hike. So I'm gonna head on to Portland. So yeah, Bend was all right. Breakfast was awesome. So glad to see my friend. Of course, didn't film because it's just our private, you know, breakfast time and chat. And we chatted for about 3 hours, caught up on the last, I don't know, 13 years or so that we haven't seen each other, or maybe 15 years. But yeah, it's interesting to see where everybody is post-COVID and what happened during COVID. You know, everyone kind of shifted their trajectories and their lives, you know, during the pandemic, mostly for the better. So, okay, so now I'm gonna walk down here very slowly and go back to the van and head on. I've got about a 4-hour drive till I get to Portland. Okay, I'm at the MULTNOMAH Falls and I need a permit. I don't have a permit, so I'm going to find a permit and park. Yeah, this is the falls. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's cute. So it's like a 2.6 mile hike. So I'm gonna go up and figure out where I can get a permit. This is nice. That's beautiful. Not a lot of water right now though. It's kind of concerning. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so apparently you need to have a permit, and it's not really that busy, but I'm gonna figure out where I can get a permit. Permit required 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Let me find out. Excuse me? Hi, excuse me. How do I get a permit?
Say that again?
I'm a veteran. How do I get a permit?
So if you're a veteran, you just show us your card and then we can let you in.
Oh, okay. That's easy because I have no cell reception. All right, cool. Thank you. Sorry for yelling. Okay, I don't want to go this way. I want to go around. Oh, shit. I think I went too far. I need to turn around and park. Can't park there. So parking down here. Yes. Perfect. Buses only. Oh, I gotta go around. Okay, so I'm a veteran, so I get in for free. So that's cool. Additional parking this way. Somebody just stopped right there. So, okay, cool. So I don't even have to go on the website. That's great. See? My $1 million wound. You don't even have to go on a website when you have no cell reception. There's plenty of more parking this way. There's more parking this way. They can go. Go ahead. I'm not going to run anyone over today. I value my van more than I value anything in this world. Okay, so hopefully there's parking down here. And yes, I'm going to hike up. That's really cool. Well, thank you for supporting veterans, Oregon. Oregon, you've been good to me today. You've been absolutely fantastic. And I'm just going to park right here in the sun. And there we go. All right. Okay. Yeah, there it is. Where's the bridge? There should be a bridge somewhere. Maybe I'm at a different waterfall. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so I'm walking over here and I'm going to show them my military ID and go right in. Veteran?
Veteran, you are good to go, man.
Okay. All right, we're in and we're going through a scary tunnel. And then we're going to go up to the waterfall. Yeah, after quarantine and COVID, I am a big fan of timed entry and permits. So let's see what this is about. I'm going to hike up to a waterfall after a 3-hour drive. That's pretty. Okay. Anyway, yeah, so this is right outside of Portland. There's a gift shop and a restaurant and pastries and espresso and ice cream. I think I want some ice cream. So I'm gonna go in and get some ice cream and then hike up so that I don't miss the opportunity. This is very Disneylandish. Okay, so I'm gonna get an ice cream. Let's see. Okay, so they have snow cones and ice cream back here. And there's a line. I should do this when I'm done though. This is crazy busy. Okay, I'm gonna do the ice cream afterwards. The gift shop closed at 8 o'clock. Hopefully the ice cream closed at 8 o'clock. It is now 5:20. Oh, there it is, okay. It looks a lot bigger on Instagram. For some reason I thought this is a gigantic waterfall. I mean, it's big, but it's not like the one, you know, I think they just, I don't know. Okay, so let's go up here, get a picture and do the hike. Okay, after attempting to get 7 people to take my photo, I'm like, what part of don't cut off the top of the waterfall? Do you not understand? Okay, so I'm going to go the 0.2 miles to the bridge, and let's see what the other distance is. Okay, so it's 0.2 miles to the bridge, 1 mile to the top of the falls, and there's another trail and another mountain. Okay, let's go. This is a paved trail, not a very high incline, so it's mobility accessible. And this is great. It looks totally bigger on Instagram. I swear I thought this was like a 100-foot waterfall. Maybe it is, I don't know. But it looks a lot smaller in real life, which is a weird thing. This is the bridge down here. Hi, sorry, excuse me. And there's 1,000 million people on the bridge. A lot of people wrote their names on it too. Don't do that. So, okay, so go across the footbridge and through here. Hi, sorry, excuse me. Sorry. Hi, excuse me. Okay. Go right. Oh, so sorry. All right, so there's the waterfall from the bridge view. And down there is where I was just at with the world's worst photographer. Like, seriously, what part of don't cut off the top of the waterfall? Okay, so I'm gonna keep going. I have been liberated from the bridge and I'm now walking the rest of the 0.8 miles to the top of the waterfall. Okay, this should be a pretty big climb. This is fun. Kind of random, but all right. And it's free. A quick proof of life check on Prudence. She's down there. There's my girl. All right, let's keep going. I'm on the last two switchbacks, and just a heads up, uphill has right of way and mobility assisted has right of way. So don't be pushy on these trails, okay? You can just step aside, let somebody going uphill. Doesn't matter who they are, even if they're like fully able-bodied. Hiker's code. So I'm very adamant about that, because sometimes if I stop walking for a minute, like, and I'm on the middle of an incline, like my lower back just starts blowing up. So I have to keep moving, like Disneyland. So keep the line moving, people. I was talking to the guy back there who's taking photos about working in other countries, teaching English and that kind of thing. So him and his wife want to do that. I was like, yeah, go to Vietnam. So we went the wrong way. There's a switchback that we missed that goes down to the top of the waterfall. So I was like, there's the water, there's gravity. So I think I got stung by a wasp. Something bit my leg. Okay, I'm gonna get some ice cream. That was good, that was fun. That was only 50 minutes to get up here and have a chat with the guy about traveling. So that was good, well worth it. Okay, I'm back. That took 1 hour and 10 minutes and that was about 2.7 miles. So I'm gonna get an ice cream and get a souvenir and then drive on to Mount Rainier. So now we're heading into Washington. So Oregon is done. Portland was short and sweet. I do not want to stay here because it's like, you know, crime central. But this part's pretty, so definitely come here for that. Hopefully there's still ice cream. Let's take a look. Now leaving Portland and heading across the river into Washington. So I don't know if there's a sign, but when I was here last time in 2015, our web vendor was in Vancouver, which is Washington across the river, but we were staying in Portland in our hotel. So let's see if there's a sign. Come on, gotta cross the river.